Donald Trump seeks disqualification of U.S. judge in federal election case. Trump filed a motion seeking to disqualify U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan from presiding over a 2020 presidential election case. Trump has frequently criticized Chutkan on his social media site since she was randomly assigned to preside over the election case. Former U.S. President Donald Trump filed a motion on Monday seeking to disqualify U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan from presiding over one of the criminal cases, charging him with trying to overturn his 2020 presidential election loss. Trump, the front-runner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, said last month he planned to seek Chutkan's recusal, as well as a change of venue for the case. Trump argued in a court filing that Chutkan's prior statements appearing to refer to his role in influencing the January 6, 2021, attack on the U.S. Capitol while his supporters raised questions about her impartiality in the case. The court filing cites a remark Chutkan made at a 2022 sentencing hearing for a Capitol riot defendant, in which she suggested that the rioter was motivated by blind loyalty to one person who, by the way, remains free to this day. Graham, a former Trump rival-turned-golf buddy, asked Georgia officials to examine postal votes after the Republican president's defeat. He did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Graham has defended his behavior, saying he was entitled to examine state election activity as chair of the Senate Judiciary Committee. He fought a subpoena ordering him to testify, but was ultimately told to do so by the U.S. Supreme Court. Loeffler and Perdue, both Trump loyalists, were defeated by Democratic candidates in January 2021 runoff elections. Perdue ran unsuccessfully for governor in 2022. Neither immediately responded to a request for comment. The special grand jury convened in 2021 at the request of Fulton County District Attorney Fannie Willis to aid her investigation. Over several months, the jurors subpoenaed testimony from 75 witnesses, including Trump allies such as his former lawyer Rudy Giuliani, Graham, and top Georgia officials such as Governor Brian Kemp. The panel recommended charging 39 people in total in its December 15 report, which has been sealed for 9 months. The special grand jury did not have the power to issue charges, but Willis used the evidence gathered to seek an indictment from a regular grand jury last month that accused Trump and his co-defendants of overseeing a wide-ranging conspiracy to sabotage Democrat Joe Biden's statewide victory. The grand jury did not act unanimous. At least one member voted against each of the charges that it recommended against Trump. The panel was also split on whether to indict the members of an illegitimate slate of electors that intended to persuade Congress to award Georgia's electoral votes for Trump. 2 jurors said the fake electors should not be indicted for doing what they were misled to understand as their civic duty.